Hello fan collectors, I'm going to do a video of my 52-inch Litex Signet Deluxe ceiling fan. I think that's what it was called, and it was manufactured in February of 1988. I've had this fan in my possession since 2009, so that's a little over 5 years. And my first visit to a habitat, and this was the first fan I ever purchased at one, so I saw this and I liked it for $15. And it didn't come the way it was pictured. It came with a long down rod, no light kit, and plain blades. And throughout the years, I've decided to alter it a little bit, kind of make it my own. But let me show you what I did to it. Put a 5-light kit on there with tulip globes, and notice the center globe. That's not your typical center globe on a tulip shade. If you notice, the pattern's a little bit different. And this came off, well, this the switch cap and the like, it came off a I think it was a Hampton Bay Princeton, or something very similar to it that a friend gave me because the pull chain didn't work, and I ended up parting it out because I couldn't really get the pull chain replaced. But that is a different story, and it is reversible, and the blades and the blade arms are not original to it. I mean, I know that they're the stock blades and arms, but they look like the stocks. But anyway, it's totally different. There's the cane. Look at the plain side of the blade, and it has the filigree side band. Look at the canopy. There's a little bit at the top of the motor. And my favorite part is the footprint vents. You see there. And one thing I will mention is, I went to another habitat last year, and there was a fan that was going to be scrapped that had these blades. It was an air-cool GE vent fan, white polished brass. Like, it was the same thing as this one, but had an ornate canopy and, of course, the GE vents. But anyway, I'm going to turn the light on. I only put one bulb in because I don't plan on keeping this fan up very long. Shed a little light on the situation. Light kit's in perfect condition. And one thing I will say about these footprint fans is, in the later years, like in the 90s, they made the width of the blade skinnier, and they don't really crank out as much air as they used to. And they did away with the filigree sideband. So, in a nutshell, they became knockoffs of themselves. But let me get the light. Oops, why did I turn that off? Alright, light's on. But I will turn it off here. Sorry for the blooper. And now we're going to cycle through the speeds and start off on low. Yeah, this fan is really neat. Medium. It's putting out a decent amount of air. The blades are a little bit out of whack, but you know, no wonder they were going to pitch its original fan. Not to be confused with the Hunter, the one it came with. Starting to kind of sway a little bit. Feel a little bit of a breeze on medium. But now, if we really want to feel the breeze, we're going to set it to high. It did wobble a little bit more than this when I first had it hung with these blades. It didn't hung with the blades in the set that came with it. Well, actually I take that back. One of them was warped from the original set and I pitched the warped one, so. It does have a slight wobble, but I had to move the blades around, jockey them around to align them so I could display the fan with the least amount of wobble. It's not wobbling violently, but wow. These air-cooled ceiling fans were Litex. Were very, very good air movers back in the day. And now I'm going to power it down from this switch. It has a good spin down time, and if you saw the video with the Moss Heirloom, I was doing a little bit of a race with the Hunter in the background that is spinning down. Let's have a race, shall we? Which one stops first? Okay. Bearings are good on both fans. That's why they have a long spin down time. I haven't updated the fans on the other side. Just this one. And I really, really love this white and brass fan. I really do. Very, very 80s. Looks like it belongs in a 80s bedroom, or well, actually it might have been an 80s showroom type fan. Hunter stopped first, as you can probably tell over in the distance. Now the Litex has stopped. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. More to come. Have a great day.